sure aren't petite, and here they come. Meet this lady gal, just promenade her. Promenade to go around the sky. You got a promenade to go walk and a talk and a bad too, and here we go and now. You get these ladies right on home, and I want you to watch this. Of course, I guess you are watching. Well, you gotta get them home and now. The 2 and 4 ladies, 2 and 4 girls, move into the middle with a left-hand star. They star with the left. They move to the middle with the old left-hand star, and you pull real tight. Shift them low. Axle to axle, valve stem to valve stem, real slow. Now 1 and 3, pull right out there. 1 and 3, pull right out. Hook right on. Can we get it? Can we get it? Ah, yes. Now 1 and 3 men, you pull right out too. We've got 4 in the line. Here we go. Make it 6. Pull out there, guys. Oh, it's looking good so far. Hey, we've got 6 in the line, and around and around. The next 2 guys, pull right out. Hook right on. Here we go. We've got to make right clear, and there they go, round and around and around. And now you've got it, folks. That chorus line of square dancing. Perfect line. Hey, in and around, you can go and around and around. And now, watch what happens here. Confusion! Confusion! Woo. There they go. What a mess. They pull right in. Back in the line. And now the chorus line, but this time by the right-hand side. Hey, you straight above it. And there we go. And around and around and around they go. And now, the outside men backtrack. The outside men and around go. And I look fine. The next outside men, you backtrack right there. Backtrack outside, guys. And everything goes spacing nice. Here you go. And now you girls, when you see your partner, you backtrack right behind. Oh, now I got that contemptible odd couple in the center. You never know what they're going to do, but they did it right today. Hey, in or out. Good. You're looking fine. Here comes one of the neatest figures. Now 2 and 4 men wheel in with little left-hand stars. Star with the left. They start with the left. Circle with the left. They start with the left. And around, looking nice. And around and around and around and around. Now go. Shoot straight across those 2 and 4 guys. Straight across. There they go. Follow the leader. I think that looks neat with those different colors. And now you make those little right-hand stars. Star with the right. You circle to the right and around and go. Star with the right and around and go. Oh, you're looking fine and looking neat. And around and go. And now it's 2 and 4. Shoot straight across. Straight across. One more time and you do it great. Ah, yes, you're looking fine. Looking neat. Circle to the left and the outside. Round they go. Perfect dancing. Hey, round and around and around and around and go. Wherever they stop, nobody knows that you're doing fine. And now, all the men wheel right in. Pass right by your partner. Look for your corner. Pass your partner.